Good morning, guys. Yeah, the time now is maybe 5:35. I am going to work. It is bright like this. Nice. There is a long hours of daylight these days. There are so many small fly touching the face. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're going home now. The time now maybe is 2:30 or 2:45. I'm not really sure because I didn't check the time when I sign out. Yeah, I just bought this. This is a clover and golden bihon. Yeah, I'll just put it here. Thank you. Out there. Yeah, it's raining outside. It's almost it's already 4:04. And again, I am cooking noodles. I have shrimp, onion, and this. And I also have this. This is basically designed for coleslaw, but I'm going to use it for bihon. I put some water. I want to put some of this chicken cubes, some salt, and I still have a little bit of this pancit bihon mix. Ew, it is boiling now. We put some more water. I'll just leave it there to absorb the water. Later on I'm going to mix it. It will be ready. And it's cooked. Yeah. You know, this morning when I come to work, it was rainy. I mean, it was raining this morning. Yeah, and I was expecting that it's still raining, but look at the weather. It is amazing. Nice. I was about to go to the fish and chip shop, but I realized that I have bihon, that I have pancit at home. So that is what I'm going to eat when I get home. A lot of cars are passing at the moment, so we're better to wait. Yeah, look at this tree, it's color violet. Still more are coming, man. Still a lot. But from this side there's nothing. All are coming from this side. This is the last, and we go. And we made it. We're here. This will be good until tomorrow. I'll just keep it in the fridge. I have here some. When I was in Malaysia and in Vietnam and in Thailand, yeah, whenever I'm ordering a pancit or noodles, I also order extra rice, and the waiter is laughing and they are telling me that you already have noodles with extra rice, something like that. Yeah, now it's time for my coffee. Normally after every meal I am having coffee. Yeah, this is the third time. So breakfast I have coffee, lunch I have coffee. I mean, during my break time at work I had coffee, and I just finished my meal.
now having a coffee. Good morning, guys. Yeah, I wake up today with headache, and if you can hear the voice, yeah, it's different today. Last night when I got home, I got this package. Yeah, it is outside the door, and this is actually a tire for my big bike. Oh, looks too big. Oh yeah, it's actually pit. Oh, it feels very thin. Yeah, I bought it online. Yeah, this is the cheapest. I've searched all over the internet and I found this one. Yeah, most of the prices are ranging more than $100, and this is the cheapest. One piece is $59. Yeah, so I save $100. Yeah, because the others, one piece is more than $100. Yeah, 26 by 4.0. Good morning, guys. Yeah, I'm day of the day. It is now 7:15. Outside this looks nice. Yeah, the sun is rising there. And the plan today is to do my laundry. And of course, I'm going to put this in my bike. Yeah, we need first to buy a laundry soap, and then maybe we have a coffee or breakfast in any restaurant open out down there. This restaurant is closed. You know, when I was getting out of the house, I was thinking of bringing my fishing rod, and then when I was already biking on the way here, I just realized that I didn't bring. I forgot right away. A lot of people are fishing this time. Wow, that's a different kind of flower. You know, during spring, that's the only time that you're going to see plants flowering. Yeah, so it means that they flower just once a year. Are you vlogging, bro? Yeah, we're just going to have a coffee here. You notice the wheel of my bike is already worn out. Yeah, you notice that, right? Yeah, also this one. This one is not too much, but it's the same. Yeah, so I'm going to change it later. Do you want to try, sir? Yeah, I just finished the banana bread. It tastes good. I feel like I want to get one more. Yeah, I bought it from that restaurant. Yeah, also the coffee, it costs $8. Coffee and this banana bread, and it was nice. And you know, when I was coming out of that restaurant, there is one guy noticed my bike, and yeah, he knows that it is electric bike, and then he told me, "What's wrong with you? What's the matter with you? You are still young. You are using electric bike." Yeah, that's what he said. And then I explained that because I don't know how to drive. Also, I am working and I need to go through the hill. Yeah. And then I come here and eat the banana bread here. And then I realized that I am facing in the shower area. And then later on, there are people who are coming to shower. I feel a little bit shy. Yeah. And then the guy, yeah, because you know I put the bike there, and the guy came and he inspected the bike, and I came also to speak with him. Yeah, explain things, and he said that he's also planning to buy one, and within 5 years. He said that he has 2 bikes. At the time now is 8:30, and this is how it looks like here at the moment. What that guy told me bothered me a little bit, you know. But you know, I believe that not all people are thinking the same way. Yeah, that is why I mentioned to him that yeah, I have my electric bike because I don't know how to drive car, and going to work needs me to go uphill. That's why I need electric bike, because the purpose is not just for health, not just for but for transportation. Yeah, the real purpose is to buy a laundry soap. That's why I'm here. Yeah, we're going to take again orange juice. Orange juice? Tropical or... yeah, orange juice. This is $2.65. And then again, jasmine rice. And I'm also going, this is the one that I'm going to take. Yeah, $4.99. And of course, egg. $3 1 dozen. Yeah, with that shopping I spent $17.19. We're going to start with the front wheel. Yeah, I'm actually become lazy. I decided to just bring it to the bike shop, and yeah, they will do to put the tire. I was having a hard time. I already called to the bike shop and they said, yeah, just bring your bike here. But I didn't mention them that I already have the tire. Yeah, they have a guest at the moment and they are going to buy, so they are more important than me for sure. Oh, nice. The guy said because it is electric bike, it will take a little long time, and they are going to close at 2 o'clock today. The time now is 12:30, so yeah, I'm coming back tomorrow.